Want to sell your courses or video on demand content and get paid in crypto without paying for an LMS? You're in the right place. Let's set it up step by step. If you're new to Blockonomics, welcome aboard. We're a privacy-first crypto payment solution. We've got all the tools you need, and our support team is here for you 24/7. Now let's dive into the tutorial. All right, first head over to your WordPress dashboard. From there, go to Plugins, hit Add New, and type in Blockonomics in the search bar. Once you see it, go ahead and install it, then activate it. Next, head into the plugin settings. It'll take you straight to the setup wizard. First things first, go ahead and create an account on Blockonomics. Then it's time to add your crypto wallet. Since it's non-custodial, you don't have to worry about sharing any keys. After that, we'll need to add the API key. To do this, just go to the Stores tab, copy your key, and paste it in. Click Continue. Now, give your store a name and hit Continue. There you go, your store is created. Once you refresh the Stores tab in Blockonomics, you'll see your store show up right there. Go ahead and click in to edit the store and make sure all your wallets are enabled as destination wallets, just like I'm doing here. Update the store once you're done. Click Done. Now, heading back to the Blockonomics plugin settings. You can tweak things further if needed. Scroll down and click on Test Setup. If everything's working correctly, you should see all the supported coins show up, which means you're good to go. Now head back to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, click Add New, and search for WPStream. Once you find it, go ahead and install and activate it. After installation, it'll take you to a setup wizard. You can just close that pop-up for now. On the left sidebar, you'll see WPStream. Click on it, then select Recordings. This is where we're going to upload your video on demand or course content. Once your upload is done, click on Create New Pay-Per-View VOD from that recording. This will take you to the product setup page. Go ahead and add a name, description, and images for now. Scroll down and you'll see the product type already set to video on demand. That's exactly what we want. Next, add your price. If you'd like, you can also create a separate category for this product and add all your future videos under the same category to keep everything under, say, a course topic. Then go ahead and publish the product. Let's view this product. Let's head over to the product we created under the Products tab and view it. And there you go. You can see your video on demand product is ready. To run a test transaction using test coins, head back to your Blockonomics dashboard. Go to Stores, select your store, and toggle on Test Mode. Then make sure to update the store. This means your store is now ready to accept test transactions. Just remember to turn off test mode once you're done. Now, let's go ahead and complete a purchase. Let's go ahead and add the video product to the cart, then proceed to checkout. Choose crypto as your payment method, and next, you'll be asked to select the coin you want to pay with. Once you click on USDT, it'll prompt you to connect your browser wallet to generate the transaction. And it will ask for your confirmation to do test transaction, and there you go. The payment goes through. Since this is a test transaction, the WordPress order status won't show as confirmed. For this demo, let's go ahead and mark it as complete. Now refresh the product page, and you'll see the video is unlocked and ready to play. For Bitcoin checkout, the user will be taken to a payment page with a QR code and the exact amount to send. You can head over to the Blockonomics dashboard, go to Log or Test Bench, copy that amount, and send the payment. And just like that, it goes through. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching.